Say hi to the new Bixby, Samsung's intelligent assistant.
Hi, Bixby. What's on my schedule this afternoon?
You have one event scheduled today at 1 o'clock p.m. Meeting with Pattern Maker.
Change this event time to 2 p.m.
All set. I saved the event.
Hi, Bixby. Find Italian restaurants nearby.
Here are some Italian restaurants nearby.
Give me a table for 3 today at Luciano's at 1 p.m.
You're all set for lunch.
Hi, Bixby. Give me an Uber to work.
The fare for this ride will be $21.72. Ready to request ride?
Perfect.
Hi, Bixby. It's run time.
Okay, turning on Bluetooth. Starting a run in Samsung Health, playing Run playlist.
Hi, Bixby.
Nighty-night.
Hi, Bixby. How's the weather today? What's it like in Hawaii? Text Amy that, grab your swimsuit, and meet me at the airport.
Hi, Bixby. How many calories in a croissant? Okay. Show me my step count today.
Okay, I'll go for a run, play some soccer, and then dance the night away. Start 30-minute run. Hi, Bixby. Find me a restaurant nearby. How about a French bistro? Great. Make a reservation. Bon appetit.
Hi, Bixby. Get me an Uber to the airport. Text dog sitter that. Please give Zeus an extra walk today.